Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to spend a little time unboxing, going through, and playing with the Polaris XP here, the Polaris branded Perego side-by-side. We'll get my daughter's feedback and go from there. Stick around. Let's take a little deeper dive at the specifications of this little guy here. It has a 12-volt battery. There is another one similar to this. It's a 24-volt battery and it goes a little faster. But 12 volts is all we could find. It says for ages 3+. Our older daughter will love this, and the younger one can ride along. It has a max weight of 130 pounds. It can ride on it. And then it has a maximum speed of 5 miles an hour, which is that's in high gear and 2.5 in low gear. And as you can see, it's two-rider. This one actually comes with an extended warranty. It says 2-year warranty. Hopefully you don't need to use that, but we have that. And it says high performance up hills and on bumpy paths. So I guess we'll have to see how that works out. We'll do a little review here with the daughter and see what she thinks. It says there's a working horn in the steering wheel. Like I said, there's a 2-speed forward and 1 reverse. The accelerator and the brake pedal are the same. You just let go and it brakes automatically. It's got the adjustable seats and seat belts for the kids as they grow. It says extreme traction wheel gripping tire dealies. They're plastic. We'll see how that goes. And the large bed in the back. It says tie down, so we'll have to see how that works out. And of course, we had to have blue, even though we've got 2 daughters. But Annabelle loves blue, our older daughter, so that's what she got. This is all what came with it. It came out of the box in that big piece there. You have your decals. You got the front grille, you've got the protective windshield, the roll bar, you got lights for the roll bar, you got both seats, you got the awesome cosmetic shocks, the steering wheel charger, the horn and seat belts, other lights and such, and then you've got some front side door panels here. And of course, last but not least, you have the instructions, how this goes. I'll put a little bit of time lapse here so you guys can watch and put it together. Anything comes up important, I'll show you, but I feel like it's some pretty straightforward, snap together stuff. So let's check it out. I've got it all put together, and I'll spend a little time looking at a couple of the things I noticed as I was working through it. These shocks here, it tells you to put those on, stickers on first. Make sure you do that, otherwise you're gonna hate yourself. These seat belts are adjustable and also clip here in the middle. The seats are adjustable back and forth. There's another slot back. Basically, you remove these screws and push it back a little farther. Other than that, in the middle here, you've got the 3-speed gear shifter. You got first, second, reverse, and then it's got a lockout here for making sure the kids can't go too fast. The fake dash here. An OMG bar for the passenger. Plenty of storage in the back. Down below here, there's a hook on the trailer if you want. Overall, the actual assembly isn't too bad. What takes a long time and it's kind of a pain is doing all the vinyl work or the sticker work on the outside. It looks nice when it's done, but it's a lot of work. Up here in the front is where the battery will go. You guys probably noticed I took it out so it could charge while we're working on it. Just goes down inside there. Other than that, seems like a pretty good little unit so far. We'll get the daughter out here to try it out and see what she thinks. I think she's gonna love it. I hope. Annabelle, do you like it?